Today, we'll show you how to install your Britax convertible car seat forward-facing using the vehicle seatbelt. You can use these instructions for Marathon ClickTight, Boulevard ClickTight, and Advocate ClickTight seats. Place the car seat and vehicle in forward-facing position. Remove the tether from the tether storage compartment and retainer tabs and place it up and over the child seat back. Now you'll need to adjust the recline angle. Pull the recline handle and rotate the seat shell until the recline indicator ball is in the correct position for forward facing. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. Be sure the base of the seat is flat on the vehicle seat. To open the seat, press the dimple on the ClickTight dial. Rotate the dial clockwise and lift up to open. Slide both the lap and shoulder parts of the vehicle seat belt through the forward-facing belt paths. Be sure the vehicle belt is not twisted and buckle the seat belt. Remove slack from the lap part and then the shoulder part of the vehicle belt. Close the seat and listen for a click to confirm it's secure. Attach tether to designated anchor. The seat should not move more than an inch from side to side on the belt path.